Hey, what's up? Sri here. Today we are going to take a quick look of Vivo's sub-brand iQOO's newest phone, iQOO 8 and 8 Pro. Sorry being late on this model as I was having fun with my new Dream Glass AR headset recently. You can check out that by clicking the link on the screen. Anyway, let's check what the iQOO 8 series has to offer. First, let's unbox the iQOO 8 Pro. The SKU yellow waistline is the classic design from iQOO, isn't it? Open the box, we see the phone. As we have the legendary version, you can see the unique 3-color strap on the back panel. That means speed and passion, as iQOO told us. Under that is the white phone case, some paperwork and pen. Last is the Type-C cable and the 120-watt fast charging adapter. Alright, now let me walk you through all the specs. The front of iQOO 8 Pro is dominated by the curved 6.76-inch Samsung E5 LTPO OLED display with 1440p resolution and a 1 to 120Hz variable refresh rate. The panel sports 10-bit colors and was already reviewed by DisplayMate with A+ scores. The vanilla iQOO 8 dials back to a 6.56 AMOLED panel with FHD+ resolution and the same speed 120Hz refresh rate. As for the processor, the Pro sports the Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 Plus and the standard features the Snapdragon 888 SoC. We tried enter the benchmark and also loads of games. They all seem really fine. I would say it has all the performance a mid to high range phone should have. Going around the back, we find a 50MP Sony IMX766 with 23mm equivalent 7P freeform lens, which is the same sensor found in the Oppo Find X3 Pro and the OnePlus Nord 2. The main shooter gets 5-axis gimbal stabilization just like our recent Vivo X series flagships. The company modules include a 48MP ultra-wide snapper and a 60MP portrait cam. The sensors on the vanilla iQOO 8 are less impressive with a 48MP Sony IMX598 primary module next to a 30MP ultra-wide snapper and a 30MP portrait cam. What really impresses us is the video quality. Just check out when we turn on different stabilization features here. There is an interesting stabilization called horizontal stabilization, which allows you to take perfect leveled videos no matter what angle you are holding the phone. Check it out. But if you enable that feature, then the video can only be shot at 1080p 30fps. While for the standard stabilization, you can shoot at 4K 60fps. Super Stabilization supports 1080p 60fps. I gotta say, the micro gimbal on iQOO 8 series rocks. It truly offers super stabilized videos even without an actual gimbal. Of course, another unique feature that comes with the iQOO 8 is the Ultrasonic fingerprint scanner. Unlike other normal under-panel scanners, you have to register your fingerprints multiple times. This one you just register once and it will be successful, and the scanning area is so big that you don't even need to look at it specifically to unlock. You just put your finger there and it will be unlocked. Not only that, you can unlock even when your finger is wet. Amazing, isn't it? As for the price, I've just listed in the description. You can check them out. Alright, that's a really simple first look of the iQOO 8 series. Currently, there is no information yet regarding the global availability of both devices, but you can always support me by clicking the affiliate links in the description and buy something if you need. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye!